Tranquilly, and welcome back to Forensics Unplugged. I'm here with Martin. I've sprung this video on him.
Haven't you just two seconds ago?
Yeah, literally 2 seconds. I brought in the new Rupes HLR 15 cordless polisher, and I want to get his thoughts on it. And so, Martin, you got it in your hands. What's going through your head? What do you think? Will you buy one? Do you like cordless? You know, all that sort of stuff.
Well, it feels like a quality product to me.
Yeah.
And I do like this. I love the trigger. I love the charge notification there. I mean, it feels really powerful. Do you want me to spin it up?
Yeah, do it.
So, I mean, it's smooth on that. So the speeds are really smooth and quick. It feels, on 6, it feels, you know, it feels like it's mains power, to be honest with you.
That's important.
What I like about it is it feels quite light.
Yeah.
It's not overly light, but it feels like a nice bit of kit. They've really thought about this because that feels nice to handle.
Think of the plate. Look at that plate.
Yeah, I know, the plate's lovely.
It's wafer thin, isn't it?
Yeah. The only thing I will say from personal, my personal opinion on anything battery is when it's actually been put through its paces on a proper job.
Yeah.
So
hard paint.
if the guys at Fresh Layers have got a job in and they're going to be doing a car, how many times will we have to charge this? Will it slow our day down?
Well,
how many batteries?
You only need 2.
Does it come with 2 batteries?
Yeah, it comes with 2 in the BAS kit, unless you buy tool only because you've got them only. So you'll get 2 batteries. You shouldn't have any downtime. But you raised a really good question because corded, when you're taking out sanding marks or you're taking out deep swirls, you've got all that power on tap with corded. You've got it there all the time.
Yeah.
These typically have a little bit lower torque. But this doesn't feel to me like it's really... All right, if it is lower torque than the corded version...
How'd you get this out then, John?
Yeah, you've got to give it a good bit of whack, give it a bit of force, you get used to it.
Which way?
Yeah, you're doing it, you got it.
Am I?
Yeah, cool.
Bloody
It'll
hell.
go, it'll go.
Right, okay. If you say so.
Go on, you hold the camera, give me that thing.
Hang on. Oh, because I won't be beaten.
He wants to be embarrassed because I just slide it out really easily, look. There you go.
Oh, there you go. I was kind of pushing it the wrong way.
Yeah, it just takes a bit of getting used to it. It clicks in and out.
I love this light as well.
That light flashes slow when your battery's running down, flashes quick if you're over-torquing it and overworking the machine.
That's really cool. So that's intelligent then.
Yeah, it will maintain full power even when the battery's running out of charge. So it won't start losing power and getting soft on you when the battery's running low. It will just cut out once the battery's dead. Carbon fibre.
I think the proof will be in the pudding when it's...
The proof is in the pudding.
Yeah, when it's being used for a proper job.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels like a great bit of kit.
Yeah. You guys hammer your polishers.
Yeah, we do, yeah.
You use them like they're running so often. They're running all the time.
It would be good to see what this is like on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
I think really I would want to have a go on a car and then I would be able to give you my honest... As a whole...
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing. It feels amazing. Just how long does this battery last, and wear and tear over a sort of 3 to 6 months? Will this battery
charge cycles?
Will it withstand, or am I going to be replacing a battery every 6 months to a year?
These are great questions. I don't know the answer on that. I don't know the answer. They do diminish, and
of course they do.
They don't often tell you how many charge cycles.
What I would like to know is if they're going to put a power adapter on this so we can plug her in. Because
that'd be good.
Yes, I know everyone loves this no cords, but if you've got a job and you want to get it done, you get through 2 batteries. You've got a big vehicle. Say we've got a Defender, or they're a bit of a pain.
Or you forget to charge your battery.
Yeah,
or you have a busy day.
Yeah, exactly. Or you just under pressure. If you want to be able to use this tool, maybe if you had a mains adapter, that would help, but you may not need it. I really don't know, but
I think you're going to love it. I think you're going to love it because I've had a go with it, and the first thing I was worried about was power, and it
feels really powerful.
It's got grunt, mate. It really does, and it's low vibration as well.
Yeah,
it's really smooth.
It feels really nice to hold, I will say, but.
They're not cheap either, so they're not going to be for everyone. I've said that in the video actually. Some people just
do you know what the cost of this will be?
At the moment, the BAS kit is 720, 2 batteries, machine, a whole load of wall pads, microfob pads, polishers, and all that. But soon there'll be a tool only option, and I don't know how much the tool only.
So
will
if
be.
You say the tool only, so if you've got batteries off another machine,
there'll be. You might have a load of Rupes batteries, and you just want to buy the tool. If you buy one BAS kit and then you want to get the 21mm polisher later on, you won't want another BAS kit necessarily. So tool only will come.
What I'll probably do is Max Auto Valet Supplies. He's a Rupes reseller. So what I might ask him to do if he's got one,
Yeah.
I might
Let-
ask him if he'd
yeah,
lend me
yeah,
one
yeah,
for a day,
yeah.
and then we can give you a review. Maybe get the boys to do a
Yeah.
bit of filming. But if Max can do that, then we can have a little go, because he has mentioned this machine to me, and he said it's a game changer. And I know
is
he's
very
used it,
good.
but I think it's a case
I
of
think you're going to like it.
Yeah.
Even rubberized on the battery, so if you do catch the paintwork with it, it's soft. It's just the little details. It's a polisher at the end of the day, but it's the little details. Which
yeah.
make
But
the
when you're
difference.
paying 700 quid for something, it needs to be
It does
very
need to be good. Yeah, it does need to be good.
You know, because
Yeah.
there are machines out there for quarter of the price.
Yeah.
Whether they do the job as well, who knows? But
Yeah.
it definitely feels good. So like I say, I'll speak to Auto Valet and see if I can get one to try for a day. If not, maybe you'll have to ask Rupes nicely.
Well, I'm sure they'll lend us one, and you can put it through its paces and
Yeah,
stuff.
that'd be a good idea, because it'd be nice to have a day on it.
Yeah,
properly.
brilliant. Okay,
All right.
Martin, thanks for your initial impressions.
Yeah, thanks for putting me on the spot.
Yeah, nice.
Most appreciated, John.
Cheers.
You sound like a professional.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh, I've done it with him for a long time now, haven't I?
They don't know I'm carried on recording. Okay, we're cutting. Doug.